Evo-Stick, the UK's #1 trade adhesive brand, has developed the Dog's Box, an all-in-one adhesive and sealant that sticks and seals virtually anything, anywhere. It's packed full of features and benefits thanks to its advanced hybrid SMP technology, eliminating the need for numerous adhesives and sealants. It's a high-strength, multi-purpose adhesive that can be used on most building materials. It's also an anti-mould sealant, perfect for kitchens and bathrooms, and will even stick to wet surfaces. The Dog's Box can be used indoors and out. It's waterproof, UV resistant, can be overpainted and is available in 6 colours, including crystal clear. No other all-in-one product comes close. That's why we've called it the Dog's Box. Brought to you by Evo-Stick.